I have with me Bollywood legend Anupam Kher. Sir, tell us about Waves. How do you like this idea?
I think it's going to put India is already on a world map, but it's going to the Prime Minister's idea of putting India on a world map of entertainment audiovisual program is phenomenal. The people, the preparation is going to be so good. I'm in the advisory committee, and we know, I have now seen the scale is so mammoth, and it should be. I think if the economic forum is Davos, this is in the next 10 years people will say this is how we started it.
Sir, it will definitely generate creative economy, and it is also providing a dynamic platform to creators to come and showcase their prowess, something which is one of its kind. How do you react to that?
Of course, I think soft power of India is phenomenal. It's very rich, and it will I always say that we are the first people who wrote a book about acting, which was in 4th century BC, Natya Shastra, and this will take that economic shape. It will reshape the world and bring so many people together. Today we are in the world of collaboration, and to collaborate with so many people all over the world with economic and entertainment and mixing it together will be fantastic.
Sir, you just talked about collaboration. There will be investors, there will be sellers, buyers, and creators also. The content is growing global, and we as an Indians are celebrating the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
So far, we were trying to sort of make world understand that we can be Vishwaguru, not because of any forcibly saying that. Whether it is yoga or whether it is performances, whether we have 30 kinds of folk forms, classical forms, music, नृत्य. हम तो इतने धनी हैं, हमारी तो कोई किसी से तुलना ही नहीं हो सकती है. हमारी भाषाएं, 22 official languages, 3,000 dialects, food. We are a rich nation and we are a young country. We will really in the next few years dominate in every department. Idea is not to dominate. Idea is to tell the world that we are there.
That was Bollywood legend and Waves advisory member Anupam Kher, who said that Waves has already made a mark on the world map, and in the coming years will show the world that we are evolving with a rapid pace. With camera person Jagmohan, this is Siddharth Bharadwaj reporting for DD India in Mumbai.